Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today we're exploring the PNG Sequence Maker, an amazing tool created by Browserling. This tool is perfect for analyzing animations frame by frame, extracting specific frames, or preparing sprite sheets. You can choose frames, set rows and columns, scale each frame, change the background, padding, and even preview the GIF in motion before converting. To reach the tool, open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head straight to PNG Sequence Maker. Example 1. Full PNG sequence of Momoko's dance animation. First, we upload the GIF animation of Momoko from the King of Fighters series to create a complete PNG sequence. We have set the frame selection to asterisk to extract all frames, left rows and columns empty, so the tool arranges them automatically and kept the background transparent. Scaling was 100%, padding is 0, and gap is 0. Here is the final output PNG containing the complete animation sequence. To download, simply click Save As. Example 2. Reverse PNG sequence of strawberry. We uploaded the GIF and selected frames 35 to 46. Since these frames appear at the end of the GIF, we enabled play in reverse, which outputs frames in reverse order as well. We enabled frame numbering, placed indexes in the top right, and set columns to 3 to format the sequence neatly. Here is the final reversed PNG sequence, perfectly arranged and indexed. Click Save as to download the result. Example 3. 3-frame mask animation sheet. We uploaded the GIF and extracted just 3 frames, 1, 12, 24. We added white background, 5 pixels padding, and 5 pixels gaps between frames. We also scaled the frames to 50% to create a compact output sheet. Here is the final compact PNG sequence with 3 extracted frames. To download it, click Save As. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check our last videos on Slowly Reveal PNG Part 1 and Convert Stamp to Single Color. Both super helpful for creative image transformations. Try the PNG Sequence Maker yourself at onlinepngtools.com. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool guides.